See, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's the walk around. Alright, if you guys like it, let me know. What's up, gang? You already know I'm back at it again. Today, I'm finally going to be putting these spike studs on my car. And let's go ahead and check out the tire. These are 22s. Okay, these are 22s with the splice rotors. And I do got the Brembo brakes. I'm still waiting on finding the front, left, right, what is it called, spindle kit. It's hard to find that. I gotta find it for an SRT. So that's here nor there, but here go the tire, and I will be beefing up the tire look with just adding these spike studs. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, this is what we're gonna be using today. I got two 4-ways. Pretty sure they're the same size. This is my kit by Coyote, and this is what it looked like. I can't get it out. Doing this in one hand, y'all, so you gotta bear with me. It's an image or two. There we go. So this is what it looked like. It is metal. Make sure. I didn't want to get those cheap ones, because you know I go pretty fast, so I made sure to get the heavy duty ones. So okay, let's get putting it on there. Let's grab this. Take these off one by one. I'm not gonna use my jack. I'm just gonna actually crisscross it and just take them off one by one. All right, let's go. And I got the wrong shoes on today. I think I need to go switch my shoes. Tripping off of that. I had to go get different shoes. Don't judge me, these are my work shoes. I already got one loosened. It fits. I had this like early December. I'm happy it fit because I wouldn't been able to send it back. Okay, so let me go get the lock too. This is the lock tool that comes with the kit. I have to find a socket. Well, actually, go over there. Okay. That's not it. Too small. Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go. I got one down. And 4 to go. Well, that was the wrong size for sure. And I'm gonna tighten them after. I'm just. Okay, gang. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this look, would you do this to your car? Okay. I got one down. Hey, gang, I'm on the second tire now. I'm about to get this stud off and put this spike on. Get it off. And all that dust and rust. Haven't took these tires off since I got them on here. So I'm gonna put this one on. Okay, we're gonna do a little quick walk around. You see. Gotta take that off and put the red ones on there. You see the front, you see the sides, you see the sides, you see it. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's the walk around. Alright, if you guys like it, let me know. Got the spikes on the car, looking real tasty. Okay, we at the Walmart parking lot. Let's go.